Just before we start, if you're wondering why I sound like this, like I've been screaming my lungs out, well, that's because I have been. I went to Lollapalooza and saw Louis Tomlinson on the 9th actually. I've been dead since then. Anyways, in this video, we are going to be looking at my April goals, even though I tried wanting to film March goals. But that didn't happen, so here we go with the April goals. I'm going to save you from looking at me, and we are going to jump in directly to the notepad. So April, I want to focus more on trying to update my portfolio because it's been a long time coming, and if you've not already watched the video, I'm going to put it there. There are some obvious flaws that I just want to get rid of. Like, this is not supposed to be like this. There's no need for the percentage thing, the bar, so I have to get rid of it. That is the first thing that I want to do. The second thing is I want to just learn Figma. One of my goals for 2025 was to learn Figma and maybe make few use cases for no, case studies for the same. So yeah, I'm going to do that. That is one major thing. The third is I really want to understand system design. I have been trying to get back to coding. As you can see, it's been quite dry for a very long time, and honestly, if I don't start now, it's going to be difficult for me because I've started forgetting things. So it's better if I start again. Now that I realize that I'm forgetting things, it was going to be better, and maybe end up learning a new programming language. Because while Python, I like Python a lot because that is my real first programming language. I think I can do much better with Java or say C++. Very ambitious with a full-time job, but yeah, I think we can do that. The next thing is going to be SQL. So I'm quite well versed with SQL. I love that shit a lot, but again, it's been a while. And with learning SQL, I just want to get a project made actually, a full stack project. I do a lot of front end, but not a lot of full stack. So I just want to get this thing done. I think 1, 2, 3, 4, and like this is a major part of it. If I get even these things done in April, I would say I would be doing very well in 2025 for like May, June, and July, where I want to be the old Drashti again. So yes, that is it. I think this is the smallest video on my channel, and yeah, that's great. April is right around the corner. If you see, it's 24th of March when I'm filming this, so I guess by 26th I'll have this uploaded. I am active again on my socials, so check it out. So yes, that is it. I am going to see you guys again when I start either with updating portfolio or with Figma. I think I'm going to do a lot of Figma related videos. Not going to make any commitments, but there are a few videos in the pipeline which I think really need to be out there. I was just watching this one video. Let me read the title for you. Pay your fees in 2025. The ultimate guide for students to earn. Yeah. All the unrealistic things in there. Anyways, bye bye.